How to recover TikTok account. So if you want to recover your TikTok account, like if you have forgotten your password, then what you can do is first open up your TikTok application and then go to the profile, which is on the bottom right. And here you can go for add existing account, or you can go to the login page of TikTok. So here, if you have forgotten the password, then you can continue with your Facebook, or you can continue with your Google, Twitter, or Instagram if you have linked your TikTok. But if you have not linked, and if you don't remember the password, then go for first option, which is use phone, email, or username. And then go for the email or username and enter your email or username of your TikTok. But if you remember the phone number, then you can go to phone and then you can enter the phone number. But I'll be choosing email, and here you need to go for forgot password and then choose phone or email. So I'll be choosing email, and now you need to enter your email address and tap on reset. And now you will receive a 6-digit code to the email address that you have just entered. So I entered that 6-digit code here. And after entering the code from here, you can reset your password. So you need to enter the new password that you would like to reset. And after entering the password, tap on next. And that's it. Now you've been logged into your account. You can go to your profile and here you will have your account. So that's it. That's how you recover your TikTok account without password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.